No hub. Control lights from anywhere, simply replace your switch. Use your voice. Works with Hey Google, Amazon Alexa or Apple Siri to turn connected bulbs and fixtures on or off. Works with HomeKit. Control with the Apple Home app and Siri from your iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, Mac, or HomePod. Easy to install. 2.4 GHz, 15A, wire leads, reduced depth, and streamlined app flow. Neutral wire required. Works with LED, magnetic ballast, CFL, electronic ballast, incandescent, halogen, and motor loads. My Leviton app. Schedule lights to turn on when you want, including sunrise, sunset. Easily create lighting scenes with multiple devices, and control from anywhere. Top reviews from the United States. Ust installed a handful of these second-gen Wi-Fi switches. I love them. Easy to add the devices to the My Leviton app, which is really nice. Once I did that, I could quickly add my schedules and do my room grouping. Barely have to touch the lights at all anymore. They are on or off when they are supposed to be. And I love that I can use my Alexa or a Google or even Siri to do voice control. My goodnight activity is the best, so easy. Already looking at adding some 4-button controllers and the DWVAA voice dimmer to my house.